backyard. Just beautiful. Chime in. Yeah, this is a tiny house in the backside of a in the backside of a property, and it looks really good. Uh, One of my subscribers reached out to me, and they want me to wire this thing up, and I'm just looking at it. This thing it's incredible. I love it. Put a put a house in the backyard. So, yep. Um, so going to be waiting on my customer to get here, and we go from there. And yeah, get on the phone with the master electrician and ask him about the tonight. So, shit, where's my keys at? Tell me oh, it's in my back pocket. I hate that. Yeah, so can we put a tiny house in the back? Shoot. Let's talk about it. So, okay. Oh, man. Hey, let's see here. Let's have a conversation with Lee. He's a master electrician. I work up under his license. So.
I just got to this one.
Yeah.
649.
Yeah, my signal breaking up, guys. I apologize. It is terrible. Let me see here. Is it land grid? Yep, it's land grid. So I'm about to see how big your stuff is. Land grid. All right. Okay, land grid, and then what's this address?
Well, this one or you want a lot?
No, we don't need. No, I need the house.
Okay, 11641 Mansfield.
Mansfield.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so. All right, so we got the two lots here. So your lots, let me look at the information for your lots.
Let me call you back. All right.
Okay, so your lot is the house lot size footage is 35 feet. So you do 35 feet, and then so at 35 feet, that's the end of what's the name? So let's take a tape measure. You got the tape measure?
No, I got it. You always talk some math.
Yeah. You can hold this. Talk to the
Okay.
Yeah.
Hi. Okay.
So what we'll do is, because we can measure it out right now.
Okay, all right.
So what we can do is we can start Okay, so you 35 feet. And after the 35 feet, so let's start with the first line. Because usually the lots might be 35 feet. If you look at it tells you so see here the footage, the depth. So the footage would be across. So 35 feet, and then everything fits in. So 35 feet, and grab that, go all the way down there. All the way to the corner to the black part. The sidewalk.
Yeah, right here.
Stay on the sidewalk. Sidewalk side. Okay. Okay, so this is alright, no, put it right on at the edge of the sidewalk. Right there. That's right there?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is about 25 feet right here. Right, come on. So on this crease right here, we're about 25 feet, so that is 10 feet.
From here.
So that's your 10 feet, that's the end of this line.
Okay.
From this here, from here to there, that's one line.
Okay.
So now we're going to start from here, and go another 35 feet. That's, I believe that's the next side.
Yeah.
So everything is 35 feet. So we're going to go all the way to 25. We're kind of right here on it. That's usually about the line here, so. Okay. That's 30, so this is
That's 25.
That's like 25. Right here. We should be another 10 feet. We should be right here to your property line. See? 10 feet. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes. So you see how my math is going?
Yeah.
Okay, so now this is where your property line. See, it's almost close there.
Yeah.
So we can start with this line here. This is off the cement line. So let's go right here. So now we're on your property.
Okay.
Start right here. I'll tell you exactly where yours starts and where hers coming from. Yep, we're about right at this line here. See?
Okay.
Right at this line here, 25 feet.
Okay.
Yep. About 10 feet. On your house. Right? See, 10 feet is like right here.
Corner of the house.
Right. That's the corner of the house. So this is here. So from right here. So you start with this crease here. So now this is where the lot property starts. So alright, so we had right.
That's 25?
This is like 25 here.
Okay.
Yep. About 25 here. You got a crack here, I think. We're gonna start with it. Yeah. That's 25, so at least no, 2 more. So your property line ends somewhere like
Right here, up in here.
right here. So right where that knuckle is, where the opening is.
See where that black part, that's where I land.
Okay.
So somewhere right there.
Okay.
So about from here
On back is out.
to that part is yours.
Okay. The black part.
Yeah, at least about to that black. So at least about 2 times somewhere right there.
Okay.
That's all y'all.
That thing gotta go way over.
Yeah.
Like I seen it. What we told you.
Yeah, so you get the so hers. So what you do is you pay for the land, you pay for service. This mark it on. Yeah, I do that. Have you been saying reconnect?
Huh?
Has it been saying reconnect a lot?
Nope, it's good. It's good. Nope.
People, I think it's evil, kid.
Yeah, no,
I
I'm
told
telling you.
her.
No, this is crazy, you know. No, what you do is you
You already showed them. You already showed them the outside of this, the tiny house.
Yeah, I can't use. Well, I always say don't you people. You gotta get the these that come with it.
Yeah.
No good.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, no good. Not sure. You probably might. I might need to get mine. And then also you gotta do is turn the setting down.
See, this one ain't got no sense.
Ain't got no setting. That's why I'm messing
It's
around
just
with.
a-
Yeah.
yeah.
I'm messing around with. No shade.
Hey, don't talk no junk. I see you just got your red set.
Yeah, oh, yeah. So,
It basically was a one. We got it. It basically was a one bedroom.
yeah.
And it was on this side. So we put two bedrooms in. I don't know if you can see it or whatever. That's gonna be the living room. And this gonna be the kitchen here.
Okay. This is crazy. So it has gas service in here too.
They had it, but we gonna limit it. That was that radiator heat.
Oh, okay.
That was the radiator heat.
Okay.
And they had a gas line. You might can't see it. See, it's coming out the floor. I think that was the gas line right
Hello?
there. Hey, how you doing?
They said you was measuring.
Oh yeah, my man measuring the lot size.
Oh, okay. There's no problem, is it?
Yeah.
No, yeah, your
Yeah.
fence is too far on my land.
Which way?
Over that way, over that way.
Over which way?
Where your line is, where your fence is supposed to be moved back where the
So
beginning
where the
of
black- see
where
where
your
the black
beginning
on
of
your
your gate
opening
starts.
Because when they measured and put it up from my measurements, they wanted to put that tree inside my yard.
Oh,
So
okay.
I didn't want the tree in my yard because I cut all the trees down.
Yeah.
So
You want-
I didn't want the tree in my yard.
Each lot.
It's 35
Each
feet.
lot here are 35 feet. So you measure every 35 feet is a parcel.
I gotta keep this.
So their parcel for this side lot here ends
Where
right
that black
at
part
where
on your
your
hinge.
gate open, the last hinge.
Okay.
You're supposed to start from here.
So what's the address to this lot?
Oh, we got it.
11649.
649.
11649.
49.
Yes.
Okay, I got the deed for
We do too.
649.
No, we do
Okay.
too.
So if they gave both of us the deed, it's a problem.
It's with the city.
Right. It's with the city.
Typically-
Because
typically
I
you
got
just-
a deed and y'all got a
But
deed.
when you go pay the taxes, it's only got me.
Yeah.
It got me
It don't-
too. I'm
I
paying
name
the taxes.
I
too.
name it when you pull up that lot. Our name come up.
It don't
Oh,
even
yeah.
your name.
I could just pull it up.
Yeah,
he can pull it
I
up.
can pull it up real quick. It ain't no problem.
On mine, I got the deed too. I just
but
paid
Sean
the
on the
Lawson.
taxes.
city it say our
Calvin.
name.
Huh?
So
It's
your
Sean
name-
Lawson.
So when did
Okay,
you
no,
buy?
We
no.
bought it right. All that don't
Wayne
matter.
County.
I
All
know,
the
because I
footage
done
we
bought
bought
it with before even the
No,
mayor.
you
I
can't.
called
Yes,
the
Any
yes,
office.
a lot.
Because I'm going to call the mayor out here, because she the one that gave
The lot
us.
close to
They-
people.
They-
Have
We're
y'all
not
been
gonna- we're
coming?
not gonna-
No,
I'm just
don't
telling you.
argue.
That's just like if we was over there and we
Wayne
bought them
County
other
Treasurer.
lots. We can't buy the lot by your house. You have
that-
first
you got
year.
first choice
Right.
at
Just
that.
like this.
We got
You can't
first
buy
choice
that
at
lot.
that.
Okay, well,
You can't
I
buy that
just
lot
called
until
the
we
person that gave it to
we
me.
have rights to the lot
Yeah.
Okay.
first.
Okay.
Then,
I just was coming
then-
out to the
then
manager.
then if we don't
Hold
want
up,
it,
Sean.
then
Hold
if
up,
we
he
don't
on
want
We
it,
ain't gotta
then
argue,
you
guys.
can.
We just both got a deed to the same
Stop
lot.
it.
And we can just take care of that.
Yeah, we had no
Okay.
problem with it.
Me
Wayne
either.
County Treasury.
Because you was wrong anyway, because you asked me,
To
could
buy
you
it
get
up.
one lot?
The
And I
one-
said, I work with you. I tried to be
No,
nice.
I was buying.
No, you
all-
did.
I
You told me,
y'all
you
that.
asked me, can you buy one?
What's the
with
address?
me? You didn't ask me that.
11649.
What is it?
116.
11649.
9. Mm-hmm.
We ain't even gonna argue. We just
Mansfield.
pull up in our
Yeah.
name.
Yes.
Watch the sound.
Oh, Samuel.
Yeah, so this is the
Right.
address there. That's
Right.
my name right there.
LaShawn
So it
Lawson.
shows
That's
the
right.
property taxes. So that's the So it don't matter about who got a deed. It matters who's the
Right.
taxpayer. This
Well,
is what it
they
shows.
messed
Because
up.
whenever,
They did
well, I
right.
know
They
we
did
talked
right.
to them
No,
directly.
they bought both
We
of
talked to
them
the
Okay,
city.
with
well, we
our
through,
water.
okay? We
Okay.
have a nice day,
Yeah.
man.
Okay,
Please.
I got
I'm
Yeah,
saying,
you
can
gotta
you
do
leave? We
something.
taking care of
You
business.
Yeah.
could have just came and told
No, we
us.
did.
No,
We
no,
tried
we
to.
already
You're
tried
not.
to.
All right,
We
so-
still talking. Hold on, we
You're
still
not a
talking. Can you
feasible
leave me
person to
to
talk
So
to.
what do you want me to do with my
Move your
fence?
You gotta move it over.
They gonna
I
tell you.
don't-
I'm not gonna tell you. They gonna
You know
tell you.
what? I really don't mind.
Or you could just buy it from them.
Yeah, buy it from 'em.
I ain't got a bag. I can move over because I didn't want. I nowhere near this tree because this tree is bothering me. So I'm getting ready to cement the fence in. So I don't mind moving it back.
I'm on the
'Cause
schedule.
it's
I need
only-
to.
Yeah,
Can you
yeah,
finish?
yeah, he got
Right,
it.
it's
I just
only so
apologize.
many feet on.
It was nice meeting you.
Nice meeting
Okay,
you.
too.
Yeah.
Come on, come
So
on.
it don't bother me.
Yeah, have a nice day,
Okay,
please.
thank you.
We tried to talk to you. You don't be.
We tried to
we
talk.
tried to talk
You
to you a
said
lot.
you get to buy whatever you
You
want
won't.
to.
We
So,
I
Y'all said-
tried to talk to
Okay,
you.
you said, come here, let me show you this right here. I gotta show you this right here. You know this part right here? Okay, all right, man, let's go.
Yeah, thank
I
you.
got time
Thank
for
you.
that.
No,
Yeah,
you're
right.
See, they had one pipe, Kev. They had one pipe that came out right there. I don't know if that's a gas. They had that coming out. That's coming from the big house, and they got another one down here that's coming from the big house that you can't see.
Okay.
And that's where they had the
That's the old meter,
Yeah.
man, but it was right there.
Yeah, that's
So-
stupid. They had that there, and they showed you outside when you
Gotcha.
see it going around.
Got you. Who's that big guy right there?
I'm,
Oh, that's just her peoples or whatever?
Yeah.
Oh, that's her peoples, okay.
yeah, that's some people.
Okay, no problem. So, let's see here. So y'all had somebody frame this thing out?
Yeah, I framed it out.
Oh, you framed it out? Okay. Let's see here. So that got to get addressed up there.
Yeah, I was gonna cut that out.
Let's see.
Okay, hold on. Let me get past you.
Yeah.
So we can look up here.
So you gonna have the bathroom in here?
Yes, sir. The
The
bathroom.
bathroom can't go right there.
Okay.
No. Because you can't have the service panel. The service panel's over here.
Oh yeah, it can't be.
Yeah.
I got a question. If we box that in like a closet and put the service panel, I would go put the tub on this side, the tub and the toilet on this side, and the vanity right there. So
Where's the plumbing at?
we got to run it all. It's up under here.
Where it was up under this particular
Yeah.
floor? So
Yeah.
that's where it needs to go. So you might need to readjust the framing. Or so you don't bathroom over here now.
Because I
And
was
it's
thinking,
too big. It's too big.
what I was thinking about was putting a water tank, like run a closet from where that beam right there and come this way. Had a water tank inside the closet, and had the electrical box inside the closet, and had that boxed in. Then have a wall coming.
What we should do is put the. If this is a closet, it has to be separate for the bathroom. So the bathroom will be in here, but
You have to put a wall up.
it's gonna have to be a wall in between where that here.
Closet.
So what we can do is we gonna have to take all that down and actually do a service meter. We have to do a service meter and then off the main disconnect and then going from the panel everything back to back. So that way I just run the cord right in and go from there. So. But it just cannot be the bathroom. That like right there. So that corner here, at least from where that stud is, these 3 studs should be clear, because everything wires got to be ran up. Just can't have that in the bathroom. I mean, you can have the bathroom like maybe here-ish.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah. I'm looking at the vanity right here. That's
Can
just
I can't.
no. We just need to.
So I
we
can
need to be
make
able
sure
to.
Okay.
Yeah, probably, maybe a linen closet or something right there, closed off this corner here, where the electrical panel could be right there.
Yes.
And then everything else can be separate. Maybe the bathroom could be like, maybe like that or something. I don't know. Definitely have to draw it out, but just know that the meter can is right behind that wall. So, or we can relocate the meter can and put it maybe directly behind here and just have it right there.
Okay, the question I got with you. Okay,
Oops.
sorry. What I was thinking about, Kev, I don't tell you
Carl,
about the
Kev.
plans we had out here. I had it where the kitchen was gonna be a small kitchen right here, right in between here, right here.
Okay.
There was gonna be a little small living room on that side where they can come in because there ain't much room in here. So the kitchen was gonna stop here somewhere, and that was gonna be like a little sitting living room area in that corner
All
right
in.
there, up into that door right there, that side of the door.
Does it need to be a 2-bedroom?
To make more money.
Okay.
What you think? I was saying because people we've been dealing with don't really
They don't want
they
one
hard buying 1 bedroom for us to rent.
I got you. I got you. Okay, so it's 2-bedroom. It is. I'm gonna brainstorm 25 by 25. Okay, let's measure out these. I want to see how big
Okay.
these rooms is.
Okay.
I might have to make. I could probably try to make a design for you, and
Okay.
then in my head, and just go from there. So how big are these rooms? You got the
I think they
measurement?
9. You
Okay.
got to
Yeah,
I think it's 9 feet by. You go that way first.
So I'm just gonna go this way here. Going straight from here to there. So 10 feet.
I think it's by 9. You want to go back this way?
Yeah, we can go back this way here.
Go right there.
It's about eight. Let's say 8.5. Let's say 8.5.
Okay, now you want me to go in this side room?
Yeah.
Move in something.
Okay.
So we're about 10.5.
So you want me to go to that wall right there?
Yeah.
And see what we're gonna do. I'd like you to know what's going on. We're gonna make the doors right here. That's why that's open.
Yeah.
Door here.
And so it's 9. So 10.5 by 9.
And then 9 by what? 9 by 10.
9 by 10. Say 10 by 10. Say 10 by 10. Okay, 10 by 10. So we got boom, sitting area here, but then we got a window here. So, okay. So this is gonna be a sitting area, TV there.
Yes, sir. Couches.
Couch
couch
here.
over there.
Couch
And
there.
then a half a wall here separating the.
So I gotta look up the code. So maybe you wanna have to provide the tenant with an all-in-one electric washer and dryer, all-in-one. Instead of doing a stackable, just do the all-in-one.
The one, yeah, I had one before where you put it in there and it automatically dries once it gets the
Yeah,
water.
I'm gonna look up the code to see if I could put a panel right above that. Maybe that could be the area where you have
washing and stuff. Yeah.
Yeah, so that there, and then this got to get it might be straight. Either way, you know what? Either way it go, this wood here is solid.
Oh
wood.
yeah, they be breaking nails and stuff.
yeah,
That's
yeah,
why.
yeah. They but it looks straight. And I got a young guy that drywall this sucker up.
Oh, good.
Drywall it for a good price.
Oh, good.
So
But
yeah.
I do it, but it don't be. It's A1.
Yeah, he'll get it, and then we do the laminate flooring, make sure all this stuff is level.
Yeah.
But the plumbing portion, I'll get y'all in contact with my cousin. He's a licensed plumber. So this one here, the weight. So as I just found out, we got a crazy electrical boss inspector, or whatever you want to call it, or chief, whatever he. I don't know what to say that out loud.
Well, don't say. I understand. We deal with them, so I understand.
Yeah, so definitely gonna have
right.
to pull permits and everything like. Because I was gonna try to see if we can just salvage that and not have to pull it. But now looking at the layout you have,
Yeah.
I might have to just redo there.
So it couldn't be. It couldn't be grandfathered in by having the same address as the big
No,
house?
so it's about the service itself.
Oh, okay.
So even me pulling the permit, I mean, like say if I pull the permit for the inside, it's a good chance they may still flag the outside. So technically, you gotta pull a permit if you're relocating the meter can or anything like that or whatever. But in this particular scenario, I'm not putting it back right here because of how you. So I'm gonna have to put it like right
in the
there.
corner,
Yeah. So I'm just gonna we're just gonna talk about what your budget is and see if we can meet up, somewhere. Because this is gonna be because even though this is small, I'm still putting the exact same amount of stuff in here. The only difference I'm gonna be saving money on is wire, but all the devices and stuff are gonna be the same. And on top of that, we're gonna be using a higher gauge wire, like the whole kitchen has to be GFCI protected. So like those breakers cost like $50 to $60 just
Yeah.
a piece versus $7 breaker.
Well, they told, oh, the breakers
The
itself.
breaker
Oh,
itself,
okay,
so
oh, okay.
meaning that instead of me putting a GFCI in, I'm gonna put a breaker in, and it's gonna cover the whole thing. So of course you got stove, refrigerator, overhead microwave, water tank. A lot of stuff got to be GFCI protected. So I got to look at the material costs, and then that's why I come in there. Wire itself is not gonna be that bad. I like it open like this here, but this would be a great project, and I would love to be a part of it.
Oh,
So,
yeah. 'Cause- yeah, but I want to tell you something. What I was gonna say? I lost my state of mind. I was gonna say something.
I'm just looking. I'm giving you this too.
What was I gonna
You'll
say?
be able to look at this too. Go back and look at
Oh,
this.
Yeah, you better look at you
Okay.
better no, because once the live is
Oh.
either my iPad dies or whatever,
Oh.
it uploads.
Oh, okay.
So
what I was gonna say. Remember you said the air conditioning with
Mini
the heat,
split.
Mini split. How would that work when they close their doors in their room? If they close their doors in their room, the heat won't get in their room.
no, it'll be a mini split in each one of the areas. So
So it'll be one out there.
one, two. So it'd be one unit sit outside,
Okay.
and then it'd be a unit, a mini unit
On that
in here, and then here.
Oh, okay.
You know what I'm saying? So, like the bathroom. See, I gotta figure. I don't know about the
Yeah, it
bathroom.
says
I don't know.
somebody at your door.
Huh?
It says somebody at your door.
Yeah, that's at my house.
Oh, okay.
As you guys know, I have Ring everywhere.
I know.
I got probably like 20 Ring cameras associated with my account. So, accounts.
Yeah, I got you.
Yeah.
Yeah, so but the bathroom, I don't feel the bathroom would need one. Do you? Because you only in there for one. They ain't getting that kind of luxury because they don't like paying for that.
Right.
So you know what I'm saying? So long as the main area and they got heat in their room and air.
Or what you
out
think?
Here.
Or what you think? You think they need
need
what?
a-
They got a smaller one that'll go in there?
Maybe a vent, just an open vent.
That
like,
connects to that and then blow some air.
Yeah, something to that effect, maybe. I'm pretty sure they got an option for that. I'll talk to my buddy Willie.
Yeah, let me know. But like I tell you, bro, hey, I'll be real. Hey, price does matter. I ain't gonna act like it.
That's why I already said. Let's see what your budget is.
Yeah.
I know what my number is, and then I gotta figure out
Okay.
where I gotta, how I gotta move it. I know what it's gonna cost me for the service entry portion.
Okay.
Interior, that's why we gotta have that conversation because we're gonna be doing all electric stuff. So I'm using I got 60 amps, 50 amp circuits, 30 amp circuits, and then on top of that the size of the panel. So I'm gonna go with a 40 space panel. So that way we got enough for everything. Because even though we got 2 bedrooms, that's gonna get a circuit 1, 2, stove, refrigerator, that's 3, hot water tank, that's another 2 breakers.
Mini splits.
Mini split, that's another 2. Yeah, it's a
Right.
lot of breakers. A lot of breakers. So, okay, real quick. So, what? Since we got you, when did you start watching the channel? Why did you start watching the channel? Why are you still watching the channel? All that good stuff. Tell them about yourself.
Oh, well, we've been watching the channel for years. It had to be about at least 3, 4, 5
Yeah.
years or something like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you do the same thing we do. We buy houses, fix them up, rent them out. So we love watching people that's doing the same thing, brothers that's in our community that's doing the same thing we trying to do, bring the city back. And,
And he be honest.
and we be honest.
He be
and
honest.
I love doing it, taking a raggedy house, bringing it back into a diamond. So we love that feeling when we see it look good. But of course, I ain't gonna lie like I don't lie to y'all. I need the money too. So I'm not doing it for free, you know what I'm saying? But we
and
gotta
we see,
get us.
and we seen that you be telling the real deal,
And
and
we
then
done
we
seen
seen
so
the
many houses
struggles,
you be- yeah,
the
some
struggles you
struggles
go through. We went through similar struggles,
Yeah.
and so we related it to you in that way.
I appreciate that.
Yeah, so you doing a great job.
Yeah, man, that's why we watch you all the time, man. We be
Well,
like,
yeah, we was wondering one time you went, I don't know, on vacation for a minute, and we was looking. We was like, where did he go? We was like,
No.
where our buddy go? We watch him all.
I remember
No,
you had
I-
the 4 family.
Yeah, I had a full family. I
Yeah.
ended up selling that.
You did?
So, yeah.
Oh,
one of my
congratulations.
One of my subscribers sold it. I sold that like last year. I didn't,
Oh,
Yeah.
Of
great.
course, I didn't tell anybody because
Yeah.
people be weird.
Yeah,
so I was
yeah,
like,
yeah.
Well, I remember
So-
you said though. You remember you said one time that they offered you 2 something for it. One
Yeah.
time you was talking in your room and you was in the bed. You said, "Well, guess what? They offered me 2 something for this as is."
Right.
You said, "I don't know if I want to say." So you know I ain't lying.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
you
yeah.
said, I don't know if I want to
I was in the
but I wanna-
bedroom, yeah. Because it was crazy because my wife was like, she was cussing me out. When I spent my last I had $2,500 And I was like, I was looking at this other 4-unit building. It was that was up for sale. Somebody outbid me damn near like $10,000. I found out what they beat me. And I'm like, dang. And then I saw that apartment building. Mind you, it didn't look like an apartment building because I had the front of it. So I looked through the pictures and I saw the 4 electrical meters. I said, this is a 4-family flat. No one's looking at it, so I put my bid on $1,000. I was happy. The last 10 hours, somebody else bidded on it. And I said, God dog it. So I prayed. I was like, all right. I said, the Lord wants me to have this.
You won't have it.
I'm going to have it, right? I said, what's for me is for me. And so I was like, okay. I was like, all right, Lord, I need to change this bid. So I went for $1,000 and I picked $2,100. And do you know the guy picked $2,100, but because I bid it first, I won.
Oh,
good.
Yeah. So then, of course, I had $2,500. He bid at $2,100. We both bid at $2,100. So I had my last $2,500. So of course, I even had the money for closing costs. I was just broke.
No,
So look, so I had what happened? So of course I'm getting cussed out because of course my wife saw I had some money and next you know it's gone, right? So she ain't understanding nothing. I said, well, it's gonna be worth money, honey. I'm trying to tell you. She ain't trying to hear it. I'm speaking Spanish. I went hungry a couple days. I went hungry a couple days, and then almost a year later, my realtor calls me and say, hey Cal, you still got that building? Yeah, it's worth $100 something. I said, huh? I said, yeah, it's worth what? I said, he said, he was like, yeah, we can put that on the market right now. I said, huh? That's right when the pandemic hit.
Yeah.
And so I what happened? So I said, look what it's worth. I said, hey. So, and of course, I did all my own work to it.
Yeah, I remember you did that.
Because at the end of the day, it's hard to trust contractors.
Oh, yeah.
It is.
So that's kind of why I've been working by myself so long.
Yeah.
So it's because it's like, hey, you might have a good experience with a contractor here and there, and then turn around, they screw you. Because you got it. Oh, yeah, we've been through all of it. Yeah. So it's like, and it's still a struggle to this day.
Oh, yeah.
Right.
So, but when it's like, hey, I'm like, as of right now, I retired from my 9 to 5, as everybody know, and I'm doing this full time. So I say, hey,
we ain't got no job either.
Yeah. I'll be like, hey, if I owe somebody some money, a bill plate, I say, hey, I'm unemployed, sir.
Oh, yeah,
I'm unemployed. I'm just saying, I just got a bunch of businesses, but I'm unemployed, sir.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Yeah. So this one here, yeah. So we definitely can try to work something out. We definitely need to figure out what this address was, what type of address it was.
It was that on. When we got it, that was on there.
It's right there. It's at 11641.
It's still on there now.
It's the address on this right now? Oh,
same
okay.
as the big one in the front.
Yeah, but it got to be like Unit 2 or X Street. No, I'm talking about on the DTE side.
Oh, on DTE. I don't know about
DTE. They didn't even know that we had.
Right there, if you move that, it'll say it.
Yeah, it might be like.
Oh, where'd it go?
Oh, we took it down when we painted.
Oh, when you painted.
Okay, no. Yeah, so it's either going to be like Unit 1 or Apartment 3 or something to that effect.
Because that one had 11641. It didn't have apartment, and that's a 2-family. It just had that one.
Yeah, they didn't have it. The city didn't have it in there as a.
The city didn't even know it was a 2-family.
They thought it was a one single family.
Yeah, that's a lot of times. That's because people don't have the proper stuff on the public.
Did you show them the outside?
Yeah, I looked at the outside already.
I'm talking about the live.
I showed everybody.
Okay,
I walked around in the
Okay, good.
So it's definitely get this thing together.
It said add a number for message and Facebook.
Huh?
Add a number.
There you go. Yeah. So this is definitely I'm like, oh, this is sweet. I said this thing is sweet. Yeah. Because right now, so like this here, it has pole. You gotta be 60 feet off the ground. So from the top of the meter, so that's why I didn't really want to mess with this. But so the top of my panel, this will be about 60 feet.
So if it's up a little bit more, that's wrong. Or it can't be below it, right?
You know what? Since we have to put a main disconnect on here, so that's where the connection was there. So we might be able to put it here. And the way the new service is set up, I can run and put the panel anywhere in the house. So I can put the meter can here, the main disconnect, and I can run the line. I'm
Over
allowed
to
to.
any corner.
Yeah, correct. So I'm able to go. I can go straight up, and we don't even have to put it in there.
Oh, good.
It could be somewhere. It could be somewhere else.
Yeah, I prefer.
But it just gotta let me know, because of course that wire's not cheap. So
Oh,
we
yeah,
gotta
I
eventually
understand.
figure out where we want to put the meter at.
Or if it do end up being too much, then it has to be there. Then he just have to
We'll work it out.
work it out.
I ain't-
Okay.
I ain't here
Okay.
to bash you. Hey, I'm here to get this stuff done. So that's,
Okay.
Because if it's if we gotta pull a homeowner's permit, that'll say, you know what I'm saying? That'll say you money. We just gotta do so we could probably do that. We could do that route.
Well, like I'm gonna tell you, Kev, like I said.
But you keep calling him you, Cal.
Kelvin. Yeah.
No, people.
Oh,
Some
really?
people call me Cal.
Oh, for real?
They call me Cal. It's Cal Junior.
Oh, okay. Okay.
40 Cal. Oh, they call. I gotta look kind of.
Well, what's going on with us, bro? I tell people, we don't work.
Okay.
We take our rental properties and put it all, except for how we live, into the next property.
Gotcha.
So this house is not rented out. We had this property 3 years.
Yeah.
So we finally got upstairs and downstairs. So that's why we put that fence up. So we take that money, we don't eat off that money. We
Yeah.
take that money and put back in the property.
Okay.
So we're gonna be working off that money to put this together.
Gotcha.
You got what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So say we come to agreement, right?
Yeah.
And then you might be like, okay, when you want me to start? I might come to you and say, Kev, well, I got 3,000 right now. What can you do for this? It might not be. It's not gonna be an overnight thing.
Say less. All right. You ain't the only. I got another customer on Mansfield. You ever see the lady that say for the algorithm? You ever see those comments?
Mm-mm.
Okay, if you check the comments, this lady that say for the algorithm. She'll tell you. I ain't gonna tell you what I ain't gonna say on live what I did for her, but just put it like this.
Yeah.
I wired up her whole house, and she was.
Yeah, we would have been good if we had to pay for the water line in the front.
They tried to get us for 30,000
All the way
across the street.
No.
They was trying to get us, man. They were trying to take us way back, man. And
Yeah,
like you see, Kev, we go through drama just like you. She comes over here. She knows she was wrong. So what you coming over here talking for? Because she's scared because we got somebody measuring the stuff off. And we told her, Kev.
We was nice. We polite people. We told her.
2 lots.
Yeah.
We cleaned the lot. There was so many trees and stuff, you couldn't even see this house.
Yeah.
We cut all the lots down on both sides.
Yep.
Took the trees, bought $500 cans per one, and she didn't give us a dime, right? So we was cutting the grass for months. She didn't say that. She was just watching us do it. So then she walked over there when I got it looking good all over there. She walked over here like, can I ask you a question? I said, sure. She said, are you thinking about buying both lots? I said, yeah, I was. That's why I put all that money into keeping them clean and cutting them and stuff. So she said, do you mind if I get the one closer to me? Yeah, so I said, you know what, sure. Just leave the one by my house for us. You can have the one close to your house, leave the one over here. She goes in depot. All we know is she putting a fence up. I say, Miss Regina, why you putting a fence over here? That's on. Oh, I bought all of this. I've been up here 40-some years. I run this block. I said, you don't run this block. I said, come on.
We was
so
like,
that's why she come over to somebody said.
Talking about come talk to her.
What
You
that
ain't
got to
been.
do with anything? You know we coming for your head. She just putting it up over there.
Oh.
So now she know this time is next.
Oh.
So you know she know it's next. So you see how ignorant she is. Why would I wouldn't have to do this. Why did you put that fence there? It wouldn't be no conversation. If she put that fence on her lot, it wouldn't be nothing to talk about. And then she was depoting with us. Oh, I got the mayor, and I like we supposed to get scared. I got the sister. I said it don't matter. They
The
told
facts
us.
is the facts.
They told us, kid, we thought we lost that lot.
Yeah.
We called to buy them 2 over there. They said, do you want that lot on the other side of you? So we on the phone like, that lady bought that lot. She gotta take that fence down. She ain't bought that lot. That lot still for
the
sale.
land bank. The land
We
bank
get
is not
first
gonna
choice.
let you just.
That's-
It's gonna. They gonna ask. They say,
Yeah.
The first because they're gonna send. They'll send your house a letter saying, hey, do you want it?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? But they don't. They give. Say if you had a driveway on here. Say if I'm buying up everything, they say no. It's a driveway on there. They don't want to cause problems. You know what I'm saying? So at the end of the day, like how I just did, that's what I say on land grid, you just start at the corner. That's what I did in my property. I ran what I had an apartment building. I got one guy that actually, the lot that I own, he has a driveway on it. I'm not too much tripping because at the end of the day, he cut the grass over there. I'm not gonna
great.
you know what I'm saying? But
Right.
if I decide to build on it,
Then you
you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I ain't gonna, I'll be, but I'm willing enough to be like, hey, I'll extend the driveway a little over so you can have your driveway. I'm not
That's how
petty
me
like
and you
that.
is. That's we not petty, but
Yeah, it's just at the end of the day, you gonna have,
Petty
the elders
people.
stuff. But as you see, I ain't here for that. You know what I'm
No.
saying?
That's
I'm just
right,
like, hey,
exactly.
okay, well, it's nice
We want to
meeting you.
finish
Like,
doing what we doing.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Because at the end of the day, ain't no wrong with measuring. Because measuring your property.
That's
So,
a problem, though.
But what you can do is that at the end of the day, she's saying she a tax. If it all matters about who's the current taxpayer. You guys are the current
We've been
taxpayer.
Yes.
paying it, so
So
it's facts. We've
so
been paying it.
so that has nothing to do with any. You know what I'm saying? So like at the end of the day, you get the what you do is you pay for the
Assessor to come out and assess it.
you pay for the surveyor.
Yeah.
Sorry.
You pay for the surveyor. They're gonna come mark it, and then you just contact the city. Say, hey, a person has a fence on my yard, and that's it. That's all you have
We
to
ain't
do.
gotta talk to her, cause we
You ain't
told
gotta
her-
talk to her.
So
It's
we
just-
wasn't even care. We wasn't even gonna say nothing to her. We was gonna do that. We didn't come over here. We got you over here. You helped us measure. She come talking to us. We didn't go over there. Cause she knows she in trouble. She knows she did wrong.
Yeah.
So why would you come over here with an
Yeah.
attitude if you know you didn't do wrong? We rather not.
They didn't do a good job on the fence, no way. So.
I know. Yeah.
It was, and you was, hey, it was professionals too.
They didn't do a good job.
No, they
Hey,
didn't.
a professional white company.
And we ain't professional, but we make it look
No,
good.
my fence look good. I did mine individually, so that way everything was straight across.
Oh, okay,
I ain't
yeah.
gonna talk about it.
Yeah.
It is what it is.
Yes.
Yeah. So, but yeah, so we so I'll work with some numbers. It's 20. So the structure is 25 by 25. So I'll work up.
Yeah, I'll write that down too, so I know.
Yeah, because if you gotta, if you need to, it seems like it's gonna save you money by doing a homeowner. Because it's gonna cost you. If I have to pull it, it's still gonna be the same thing, whatever. But it's just gonna cost some more if I have to
Whatever
put
we
them out.
gotta do, care to help to bring the cost down. We will.
Yeah. So we're gonna chop it up a little bit later, and about that, and we go from there. I just had electrical inspection today, and he went all the way there with me. I said, "What? We going?" It's on the. If you guys look at the live,
Yeah,
he wanted me to do extra stuff. I'm like, wait, hold on, this grounded. Why? I gotta do it. I had to do an extra ground inside the meter can. And personally, I didn't feel like I had to do that, but of course, it's whatever the inspector says.
Yeah,
So,
it is, right.
I don't have a problem getting fired to be an electrician.
That's right.
That's why all the master electricians like me, because I be sitting there, I question people.
That's how you
I'm like,
That's how you learn,
So,
and that's how you, yeah.
Yeah, so he was like, huh? I said, huh? No. I said, you want me to put it on both sides of the nipple? I'm like, nah, wait, hold on. So, he's gonna find me. He's gonna red tag me. He ain't red card or something. But yeah, this looks good. County, we did too. But this is probably it'd be dope to have two lights right here. Yeah. Nah, this brick ain't easy.
Oh, no.
That brick ain't easy.
Yeah, just got that one light.
You won't wanna have to basically have to cut this out and put either a outlet box here, but you want everything to be flush. Or put something here, a light here, and a light there. Make it look nice. And you still do the light up there.
See, we want to put the lights all the way around because we got cameras all the way around, you see. We got to keep them on. So we really want to put the ones where you can put that light bulb and then it's a camera.
Yeah. So I would say go ahead. First, fence this way up, and right here. Put the stop right here and just put the cube box.
Yeah, and connect the fence to
Connect
the...
it up. Yeah.
That's what I was supposed to do.
Yep, and then just close that boy off and then call it a day.
So, Kev, I got a question. I should go ahead and close all that in.
Yeah, go ahead and close it in. Close it in, because once it's done, it's done.
Oh, yeah, okay.
We work on the weekends.
Yeah,
we did that fence today.
we was just trying to make sure we wasn't, like,
Worst case scenario, you lose a couple 4x4s or whatever, and then bring it back some. But typically, excuse me, I put it in the front, call it a day.
Because this a corner lot too. This different, right? Yeah, it's different rules, ain't it?
So
see in the middle, but then they got, you see that Mexican house right there? Yeah. They ran it around the whole camp. They told them they had to move it. But they all the way up on the side.
Usually we usually what we usually do, we usually put the fence here and there and have grass here.
Yeah. So what I would try to do, like I say, support the house, pick up all out there and have parking or whatever.
Yeah, I just think at the end of the day, I just.
But like if we have to, I told them, you know they got the 3 feet, 3.
Would that be cool? We put a short one.
Yeah.
Put the short.
Yeah, put a short one.
Yeah.
Put a short one. That
Yeah.
way, that should alleviate any issue. Do a
Right.
short one and it look nice.
Yeah, that's what we was thinking.
Yep. So enough to probably like.
I think they said it could, what is about, because they said when you doing like if you doing a picket fence, it has to be like 3 or 4 feet.
I would say you could do 4 feet and be straight.
Yeah.
4 feet, or maybe even 4 feet and a half, like 4 feet and a half, and then going straight over.
Yeah.
And over here, we have to continue to be 4 feet. You'll have to continue to be 4 feet this way.
And then but across.
No, you might be well. Yeah, I would say do 4 feet across. Yeah, do 4 feet across.
Not keep it tall like that.
Yeah, keep it tall there, and then lower there.
Yeah.
That should be compliant. And then your gate. You wanna cut this out here.
Yeah.
And
Move that gun over here.
yeah, put a. No, you don't want to put it right here. Put it maybe like right here.
Put a post in the ground.
Yeah,
I did over here.
well.
I can move this, cut it.
I mean, you want it to be.
Yeah. We was gonna go that route, but we moved it.
I don't know. You have to figure that one out.
Yeah, well, I moved this. Put a post here. Screw it into
Yeah, you might be able to.
big post.
Yeah.
Catch it and lag it.
Yeah, it's just only different is when you put it right here, and sometimes it'll start getting loose, going back and forth. Maybe even do a fence that pull out.
Yeah, how them cost? Them electric fence, the ones that roll on the road.
Yeah,
You don't know.
I don't know, but you
I
might
probably
could
could
just.
buy that setup and put it on the
Yeah,
car.
my dad got one. I think it might cost him like a couple $1,000.
Oh, damn.
But it looked nice though.
Oh, yeah, I hear you, kid.
It looked nice.
I know it.
I hear you, kid.
Yeah.
I'm on the budget, kid. I ain't got no job.
Hey, I'm gonna ask my dad because he put one across the alley or whatever. So I'm gonna see what that cost him for that fence. Hello? Hey, Dad. Hey, how much did that fence that you put in the backyard across the alley with the gate? How much was that?
That was
3,800. But hold on, how big is it though? So this is small.
20 feet.
That's 20 feet.
Oh no, he ain't.
So it might
Yeah.
be.
This close to 20.
That ain't 20. This ain't 20 from here. This hold on. This ain't 20. It's probably like 13 or something. It's 12.
Oh,
12 feet. All right, Dad. I'll call you back.
kind of said thanks.
Tell him.
All
Yeah.
right. Yeah, it looks straight over there. I'll show y'all some pictures of it. But they built it. It's like it's chain link and it's all. They built it, welded up and everything like that. But yeah. Shit. That fence raggedy in the mud.
I know, I know.
That thing
That's what I'm saying,
bleeding
I
over.
know.
Thing raggedy.
You're right.
Sitting there fussing about that.
Yeah.
I'd be mad too if I paid for
Oh, yeah, you're right. And what she did, Kev, she used grants on all that stuff. All that park stuff you see over there.
that. Yeah.
Cause she had
Yeah, and it's probably supposed to be accessible for the community.
Yeah, but she charged you. She charged all the kids $5. And if you want to have a party, it's $700.
If the finesse was real,
Yeah, you're right. Oh, yeah.
that's crazy.
Yeah.
Because they're supposed to be accessible for the people.
The neighborhood, yeah,
Yeah,
that's why
yeah.
they gave her the money to pay
Yeah.
for it, and she had to pay for it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So we'll work on some numbers and go from there.
Yeah,
You know.
let me know.
And
Hey, how you doing? All right, you?
So we go from there. It was
Pleasure meeting you.
Thank you.
Nice meeting you.
Thank you.
Thank you for being my camera
You're
lady for the day.
welcome. You're welcome.
Yep,
My
yep.
pleasure. My pleasure.
Yep. So
Yeah.
So in
Thank
your
you so
opinion,
much.
Kev, go ahead and run the 4 feet or run that. We already got the panels. So go ahead and run the 4 feet to eliminate it, or go ahead and run the
I would
panels.
say to be on the safe side, do the shorter. Do the shorter. Cut them. You'll cut
The bottom out.
cut the bottom out, and that way it'll
They
be the
can't
same
say
as a
nothing.
regular. Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Because it's short, you can see over. Because that'd be the thing. We can't see over it.
You're right, yeah.
Because think about why that's not all the way to the front.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? So I think it's a rule. I'm gonna ask my friend, but I would say if you guys go with a shorter one,
Yeah.
boom, 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 that 4 feet, go straight across, can't go wrong. Still get the
And
same
go
type of
4 feet this way too.
yeah, 4 feet that way. Yep,
Okay.
can't go
Run the
wrong.
long panels that way.
Yep, and go from there.
Hey, what's
So,
up? Yeah.
all right.
Thanks, my
No
brother.
problem.
Always pleasure
Yeah.
meeting a brother doing
Nice-
something, man.
nice-
We out
nice
here
to
just
meet
trying to
y'all,
make
man.
it, bro. That's
Oh
all we
yeah.
trying to do.
I'm gonna check with my friend that's a builder and double check though, as far as what that rule is.
Hey, brother,
And,
you all right?
At the gate.
Hey, you all right? Oh, you loving it?
Yeah.
It's coming together, ain't it?
Yeah. So
Yeah, but you go. I appreciate you. Like I like
Yeah.
when she
All
called
right.
you. You said you was on his way. I said, let me ask him. He got a few minutes for me to get back over. We had
No,
just
no,
left
no.
about an hour ago.
I'm hit.
Yeah, so.
All right, team. I'm gonna back it up. My lips are ash. We're gonna lock back in with you guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and all that stuff. Share. I only got 4 likes, and I know a bunch of people that jumped on here. Y'all so disrespectful. All you gotta do is like. Y'all act like it costs to press the like button. Damn. All right. So, but of course, you want to donate to the channel, you guys can. If you want to, just press the little money sign. Y'all know what it means. All right. Let's get back to it, and I'll be back on site at the other property. Basically, it's almost ready to be rented out. All right. Take it. Love you. Bye.